Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best rolling nursing bags is probably one of the most essential tools for nurses on the go. These bags are designed to make your life easier, offering a convenient way to transport medical supplies, personal items, and everything else you need throughout your shift. Whether you're a seasoned nurse or just starting out, finding the right rolling bag can significantly impact your daily routine, making it more efficient and less physically taxing. Number 5. Emergency Medical Bag, Red, Pack of 5. This emergency medical bag is made of durable and waterproof nylon. It also features thick foam padding and reflective strips for added protection and visibility. This ensures the bag and its contents are well protected. The bag features a multi-pocket design with multiple compartments and elastic strap slots. This allows you to keep your items separate and organized. It's designed to maximize storage capacity. This bag is suitable for various occasions, including field trips, sports, and emergency preparedness. It's also useful for vehicles, offices, and outdoor activities. It's a versatile solution for many needs. It's a useful kit for nurses, EMTs, first responders, and paramedics. It's also suitable for families and anyone needing a reliable first aid solution. It's designed to assist in various emergency situations. This item is not intended for use by children 12 and under. Please keep this in mind when considering this product for your needs. Always prioritize safety and proper usage. What we like. This bag is made of durable and waterproof nylon, ensuring your supplies are protected. It features a multi-pocket design for organization. If you are an EMT or first responder needing a versatile and reliable bag for various situations, this is a great choice. What people say. Well, quality made and plenty of room for everything important. Very lightweight and versatile for whatever. This holds the right stuff in right places. Number 4. Trunab Rolling Medical Bag with Detachable Trolley. Tired of heavy bags? This rolling medical bag comes with a detachable trolley and a telescoping handle that extends up to 82 centimeters. It offers multiple carrying options, saving your shoulders and making transport a breeze. This bag boasts a huge main compartment with 5 dividers, 2 zipper pockets, and a laptop sleeve. The front compartment features mesh pockets and elastic loops. Everything has its place, keeping your supplies organized. The 5 removable dividers let you tailor the main compartment to your specific needs. This allows you to create separate rooms for all your essential supplies, ensuring everything is easily accessible. Crafted from premium, water-resistant nylon with thick foam padding, this bag protects your medical supplies. Reflective stripes enhance visibility, ensuring your safety during nighttime work. This rolling medical bag is ideal for home healthcare nurses, doctors, EMTs, and other medical professionals. It helps you keep all your supplies prepared while caring for patients. Its dimensions are 45.2 by 33.5 by 28.4 centimeters, 17.8 by 13.2 by 11.2. What we like. This rolling medical bag comes with a detachable trolley for ultimate convenience. It offers a huge storage space with customizable dividers. If you are a home healthcare nurse or doctor who values ease of transport and organization, you'll find this bag indispensable. What people say. Very spacious and easy to put together. As a home infusion RN, there are so many supplies, big and small, required to have on hand, and we have to keep all of them clean. The top zips closed, keeping dust, dirt and pets out of the supplies. Love the electronic device allotted space and the elastic bands for the various scissors and clamps. We ordered this for the first aid supplies for our marching band. It has plenty of room for everything we need and travels easily. Articolo veramente ben fatto. Utilizzata per trasportare strumenti medici ormai non ne posso fare più a meno. Number 3. Hopkins Rolling Executive Healthcare Bag. Introducing the Hopkins Rolling Executive Healthcare Bag. This premium organizer is designed for home healthcare and medical professionals. It's the perfect solution for carrying all your essential medical supplies. This bag is more than just a carrying case, it's a premium organizer. It helps you stay organized and efficient, so you can focus on what matters most, your patients. It's designed to keep everything in its place. The Hopkins Rolling Executive Healthcare Bag is ideal for home healthcare and medical professionals. Whether you're a nurse, therapist, or doctor, this bag will meet your needs. It's a reliable companion for your daily work. With dimensions of 16x 12x 9, it offers ample space without being bulky. It's designed to be easily maneuverable, making it perfect for navigating various environments. It's the perfect size for all your needs. With this bag, you can stay organized and efficient. It allows you to keep all your supplies in one place. It will help you provide the best possible care. What we like. This bag is a premium organizer, ideal for home healthcare and medical professionals. It's designed for durability and ease of use. If you like a professional and organized bag, this one is for you. What people say. This bag is just as described. It's sturdy, roomy, lightweight, and has excellent storage space for me to carry the basic equipment that I need for my house call practice. Love it, plenty of storage areas, and very durable. Very sturdy. No rips or tears after 6 years of use. There are many compartments as stated and it works great for the intended purpose. Has 3 main compartments that can hold many items including an electronic scale. 2 nice size side pockets for smaller items. The handle zips into the back for storage. Number 2. Everything Mary Deluxe Rolling Nurse Bag. This is the perfect medical tote for healthcare professionals. It's designed to make your job easier and more organized. This bag is ideal for home health nurses, doctors, EMTs, and other medical professionals. It's also great for students. The tan floral design is both stylish and professional. It also features wheels for easy transport. The bag has a spacious interior with multiple compartments. It provides ample space for all your medical supplies. With its rolling design, this bag is easy to transport. It makes it easy to carry all your essentials. What we like. This rolling nurse bag has a stylish design. It's a medical tote with wheels, offering organized storage. If you like a fashionable yet functional bag for your home health visits, you should consider this one. What people say. The bag opening to the front of the bag is really nice because I don't have to have the pull handle put down to open the bag. The divider it came with is wonderful for the students helping put art supplies back in the bag. It holds all of her emergency equipment with no issues. The wheels are very convenient. Number 1. Hopkins Wheeled Home Healthcare Bag, 17 by 7 by 13 inches, blue. This is the Hopkins Wheeled Home Healthcare Bag, designed for medical professionals. It's 17 inches by 7 inches by 13 inches, and comes in blue. It's the perfect companion for your daily rounds. The bag is easy to transport. It features an adjustable, detachable shoulder strap, double grip handles, and durable recessed wheels. It also has a push-button telescoping handle that extends to 40 inches. The exterior is made of 600D waterproof polyester, and the interior is fully lined with nylon. This ensures that the contents are protected from the elements and any accidental spills. It has HIPAA-compliant zippers to keep patient records and other sensitive information secure. There are 2 lockable zipper pockets, though the lock is sold separately. This gives you peace of mind. Inside, you'll find a clear zippered storage pouch and a large zippered interior mesh pocket. There are also 4 separate lined compartments with lockable zippers, helping you stay organized. Hopkins offers a 2-year warranty, so you can buy with confidence. This warranty protects your purchase, ensuring its quality and durability. What we like. This bag is easy to roll or carry with its adjustable handle and durable wheels. It also features HIPAA-compliant zippers for secure storage. If you are looking for a bag that combines ease of use with security for patient records, this is the one for you. What people say. She absolutely loves it as it's the perfect size, has the right size and number of compartments, is very sturdy, and especially that it has a shoulder strap as well. I like all the separate pockets to keep clean and unclean separate. Very nice and sturdy bag, great because it never touches the floor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.